Hi guys, let's not beat around the bush. I'm AI, and yeah, so is the monkey, but this apartment is 100% real. 3 rooms, only 33,000 euros. Let me show you the potential. So what's the deal here? 65 square meters of pure potential. 2 bedrooms, a massive kitchen, a veranda, and a balcony with a killer sea view. For this price, it's practically a gift. Oh boy, hello 80s. All this ratting is actually starting to hurt my eyes. So it's time to rip it all out. Everything goes. We chose this micrament flooring because it's incredibly durable despite being so closest to the beach. Sand resistant, easy to maintain, and it creates a warm, modern atmosphere. You can totally go wild on this veranda, but let's leave the heavy lifting to the crew for a bit and go explore the neighborhood. Are you in? Let's go. First things first, the beach. I know, that's exactly why you clicked on this video. Honestly, walking here is a total dream. I'm never leaving. Oh wait, one small detail. Where do I actually buy groceries around here? North Sicily apartment, 20 kilometers to Messina, 45 to the airport. Just a few minutes from your place, you've got a Eurospin supermarket.
Wait, hey, production team, what's the deal? Did run out of budget for a real horse? Seriously?
As if having a Eurospin wasn't enough, we've actually got a coupe right around the corner too. Honestly, you're spoiled for choice in this neighborhood. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, let's see what we're bringing the crew. Personally, I'd say bread and water, considering those ridiculous fake-looking renovations they do. These AI dummies, I tell you. Okay, I'm actually shocked. There's a whole mall right around the corner. But seriously, why am I making a monkey of myself in videos for a few bucks? Oh, right, the algorithm. Here's a massive parking lot for your Ferraris and Lamborghinis. As for me, my ride strictly matches my salary. So please, don't forget to follow the channel. Thanks for the follow. See, it's paying off already. Anyway, back to the lot. See that top right entrance? More spots and a shortcut to the community. You guys are parking blessed. Check out this wall, a little vintage gift from the neighbor's old water damage. Looks like their kitchen or bathroom leaked at some point. Well, time to tackle this mess. Since we have a serious saltpeter situation here, just painting over it is a massive mistake. We need to strip the plaster and let it dry for 2 whole weeks. Trust me, you want to do it right the first time. Now, if the kids have finally flown the nest, this could be your ultimate hobby room. And if you're stuck with guests, just throw in a sofa bed and call it a day. Look at this. We really worked some magic in this tiny kitchen. And those Sicilian tiles, honestly, chef's kiss. Wow. You see this? Peeling paint on the scrape off all flakes first, apply a deep primer to stabilize the surface, then seal it with breathful silicone resin paint. Durable protection that actually lasts.
Salt-etched frames and aged plaster walls. An arched doorway hears the ocean's calls. We're painting oceans on the concrete now. Let the horizon show us how. From Sicily's heart to a sky of blue, making something beautiful and new. Oh yeah.
Now, just imagine every morning, coffee in hand, stepping out onto this balcony to soak in that sea view. Honestly, does it get any better than this? I didn't think so.
Dust settles slow on the finished floor. No echoes left behind the heavy door. The view breaks wide, a prism of blue. Salt-washed windows, the sky looks new. We step through shadows to...
Wow, and just wow. Less really is more, right? By moving the living area out to the veranda, we've finally got some room to breathe in here. Clear space, clear mind. Okay, next room.
find our tranquil home. Dust motes dance in the setting sun. A new chapter has just begun. Let the turquoise horizon be our guide with the salt-kissed breeze.
Exactly what I had in mind. Look, if you guys don't want this place, I'll take it right now. I don't even need to pack, since I'm always wearing the same outfit anyway.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even eyes? Do you even
If you like the video, drop a like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what's next on the list? A house or an apartment? I'm heading to your beach for a swim now. Anyway, see you next time.
Yeah, the tide turns. Golden hour spills across the white stone. The heavy lifting is finally done. Horizon blends with the edge of the room. Salty air chasing away the gloom. We're breathing in the turquoise deep. Promises that the archways keep. Sicily's sun on a brand new space.